Welcome to Guaranty. Today we're here looking at the 2020 Chaparral 336 TSIK. We're going to start around the corner over here. It's going to have your 7-gallon propane tanks, one on each side with a regulator. You got your marine grade speakers. It's a TV mounting bracket. Huge pass-through storage, and in a moment we'll go to the other side and we can look over there at the auto leveling system. Come on around back. You got your roof access. Over here we're going to have our black and gray flush along with our outdoor shower. If you could get a look in here, you have your auto leveling system. You could actually program these to remember hitch height, truck height. It's going to be your other 7-gallon tank. Vehicle specs, gross weight. Now we'll go ahead and take a look on inside. Okay, so over here we're going to have a hide-a-bed. You got your cup holders on each side, 52-inch TV, DVD stereo. You got your fireplace down here. It does blow heat out the top. It runs electric only. We got Thomas Paine furniture, heated and massage chairs. You got your dinette with chairs instead of a booth. Over here we're going to have a stainless steel sink, Corian countertop, solid surface. Great faucet. Got a 3-burner stovetop, oven, microwave, residential. Here we're going to have your pantry. It's actually pretty huge. Beautiful. Get a residential Nor-Cold refrigerator. Plenty of storage space. More countertop in case you need space for a coffee maker or toaster. You got more storage space down here, full extension drawers. In here we're going to have our bathroom. You're going to have a stand-up shower, sliding door. Got your toilet, a rack to hang your towels. In the bedroom we're going to have a king-size bed, air conditioner. You got a chest of drawers, TV mounting bracket. Here's where we're going to have a wardrobe. We got a his and hers on each side. And here we got your washer and dryer hookups, or extra space for a wardrobe. Thank you for coming out to Guaranty and checking out the 2020 Coachmen Chaparral 336 TSIK. My name is Chris Mazziotti. If you have any questions, please call 541-972-1068. Thank you.